Kyoto. Watch as our contestants navigate the stunning landscapes and architecture to bring home the win. And now, the boundless, the vogues, the mighty, and finally, the kingfish. Let's get into it.
Let's go. This is the beginning of round one in the tournament. It's official. The kingfish are swimming upstream with the first elimination locked in.
That play unraveled fast. The mighty didn't have much say in it. Outrageous. One contestant is leaving nothing standing.
Тебе пизда, я, блядь, 2 метра ростом, 350 килограмм, нахуй, и 100 Исланд, ебать, на левой руке. Я тебя убью, нахуй.
The mighty have respawned.
I bet they're dressed for revenge. If I were the Vogues, I'd keep an eye out.
Payday for the Vogues. Catch up.
I am a machine.
The boundless tapping into vault 4. The kingfish have grabbed the lead.
As elimination now comes with an added dose of explosive drama.
Hot. 4 for 4.
The next bit is going to be packed with suspense.
Cash out initiated by the kingfish. Watch closely. A bite being taken out of vault 3 by the mighty. The Vogues are re-entering the arena.
Help over here!
The Boundless have kicked off a cash out.
This cash out will provide the police offer they need to safely qualify for the next round.
Enemy! Enemy go big!
ну, как бы времени еще дофига. Пока на расслабоне, на чиле.
Outstanding. Cash out delivered by the Kingfish.
What a way to let
The Kingfish grabbed a cash box. Contestants need to pick it up a notch.
anything can happen now. What a spectacle. The elimination streak is so long.
Station.
The Kingfish carry their crown forward into the next round with a strong first place finish.
And moving on alongside them, the Vogues bring confidence and class.
Presenting the Overdogs, the Vogues, the High Notes, and finally, the Kingfish. Time to make your mark or pack your bags.
Welcome to the second round where disciplined structure will always overcome desperate impulse.
I've got my eyes on the Kingfish. They survived the opening bracket, and now the pressure is truly on. Bold one doesn't stand a chance. It's go time!
Go to cash out egg over here.
The first cash out, let's go!
Hoist the anchor!
On the mark. Enemy on my baby Janet. Watch out there. Watch out there.
I am a machine. I am a machine.
The Overdogs stumble again. Another team win. And the High Notes hit the perfect pitch with the match's first cash out.
They found their rhythm with that play.
That's a cash out by the Kingfish.
Look at members of the Kingfish never leaving each other's side. Great teamwork.
The Overdogs are sniffing around vault forward. The Overdogs got hold of the cash box. The Overdogs have started a cash out.
Time. Quick to cash out D.
Over there!
on the runway for the bows. Team wipe. The overdogs are piling into a The bows are back on the scene.
Swapping stuff out. Great.
Dogs just jump-started a cash out. The overdogs are ahead of the field.
Six above. Over here.
A vault just arrived on the scene. Time to get moving. The high notes seem to be exploding. The overdogs have been wiped out once more.
Puffed up, Scotty.
The Kingfisher ruling the waters as they take the lead. The high notes grab the cash box.
Machine.
Both plays by the Kingfish as they as we head into the final round.
And the Kingfish are also casting their net into the two-team clash.
Okay, folks, it's the big show. It's what we've all been waiting for. It's the final round. Presenting the Overdogs up against the Kingfish. Final flash. Time to clash and grab the cash. The Kingfish have started a cash out.
No rescue needed. I'll purchase me return.
Roger. Switching objects. Get me back.
And there we go, first team wipe on the board.
The Overdogs came out on the wrong side of that play.
Again.
Bring it back.
Explosive line placed. Trying my luck. Nope.
The Kingfish are looking for a crowd. They started a cash out.
Down here.
Kingfish can expect a wave of retaliation.
Watch out down there!
Contestants will want to gain it.
Spearing the competition and netting the win in the final round. It's the Kingfish. Congratulations to our rising stars.